So guys, as you can see, this is the version of Monkey app that we're going to go ahead and download on our iOS-based devices. And the best part about this version that has just come around like 2 days ago is that you can actually go ahead and also communicate and chat with people that are on Android devices and not only people that are using this app. So it's pretty cool, a major feature in my opinion, and it works exactly like the normal Monkey app that we had on our iOS-based devices long ago. But since it's gone from the App Store, I'm going to be showing you how to get it from a third-party store. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. The first thing we're going to do is just go ahead and remove this so I can show you exactly how to install it. So let me go ahead and actually delete and uninstall this from the device so we can go ahead and install the latest version of the Monkey app on our iOS based devices. So guys, without further ado, let's just go ahead and dive right into the tutorial. So one quick thing I forgot to mention, guys, is a little bit of compatibility issue on some devices. So I'm going to show you how you can actually check for that so you don't actually waste your time. So what you're going to do is just first of all head over to your settings, go to the general and go to about, and check for what iOS version you're running. So software version is 13.5. Just check for what iOS version you're running. If it's anything under iOS version 10, this isn't going to be compatible. Even though the original version of the Monkey app was supported for the iOS version under 10, this isn't going to be, because they actually didn't bother updating it for that, because like so many less devices use iOS version 10 and below. So no point doing that, I guess. So just make sure you are over iOS 10. If not, this isn't going to work for you. So let's go ahead and move on and download the Monkey app. So if you're over iOS 10, what you're going to do is first of all, go ahead and head over to your settings and make sure that your Safari actually allows for apps to be installed through it. So the way we do that is by going over to settings, scroll down all the way until you see Safari settings, open it up, go ahead and scroll down once again and just go all the way to the bottom and go a little bit up, and you will see this thing, block all cookies, which is going to be disabled by default. But just in case it's enabled, you're going to have to go ahead and disable it, because if you actually enable it, it's not going to allow us to install these apps or basically any tweaked app. So once that is done, that's all we have to do. The last thing that we're going to check for on our devices is make sure our device is not in the low power mode. The way you do that is by looking at the power icon. If it looks like this, you should be good. If it looks like a little bit like, let me show you real quick. So if it has like this yellow thing inside of it, it's not going to actually allow us to install the app. So what you're going to do is first of all make sure you are not in the low power mode. For this, all you have to do is go over to the main page of settings and simply scroll down to the battery settings and make sure this option right at the top, low power mode, is not enabled. Just go ahead and make sure you disable it before we move on. Once it's done, just go ahead and exit out settings. That's all we have to do. Now let's go ahead and download the app itself. For that URL, just make sure you get it. Just pause the video if you are having issues getting it in that time. So once you actually go to it, just click on start, search for Monkey and click on start, and it's going to take a little bit of time to actually let it get through. So just give it a little bit of time and let's wait for this. So once it's done, it's going to take us to this page which has a few stuff that we have to get from the App Store. Just go over to it. Get it. Now I already have it because I already did it before, but you're gonna have to go get what it's asking, because based on what device it can be different. So just go see what it has there and you should be good. So let me go ahead and quickly finish this off. So once it's done, just go exit it out, go back to it once again, do the others that we have. So once it's done, just go exit it out, go back to it once again, and in a few seconds you will see that it says it's completed. Just a second, let me focus. So once it's done, just go ahead and exit it out, and you will have the Monkey app. And pretty simple. So still, if you have any trouble with the whole thing, you can let me know in the comment section, guys. I'll try to help you all out. And with that, guys, that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, found this useful. And that's pretty much all. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm on Instagram, in the comments, pretty much everywhere. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day.